Q6793. What is the location of the CG if 90 pounds are removed from station 140? Aircraft weight equals 6,230 pounds. CG location equals station 79? A. 79.9. B. 78.1. C. 77.9. The correct answer is B. To determine the location of the CG after removing 90 pounds from station 140, we can use the following formula. New CG location equals old CG location x old total weight. Weight removed x distance from CG to weight / old total weight. Weight removed. Distance from CG to weight equals station 140. CG location equals 140. 79 is equal to 61. New CG location equals open parenthesis 79 times 6,230 close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 90 times 61 close parenthesis / 6,230 to 90 equals open parenthesis 492,070 minus 5,490 close parenthesis divided by 6,140 is equal to 486,580 / 6,140 almost equals 79.3. Therefore, the new CG location after removing 90 pounds from station 140 is approximately 79.3. 6789. What would be the new CG location if 135 pounds of weight were added at station 109.0? CG location equals station 103.0 total weight equals 2,340 pounds? A. Station 103.3. B. Station 104.2. C. Station 109.3. The correct answer is A. To determine the new CG location after adding 135 pounds of weight at station 109.0, we can use the following formula. New CG location equals old CG location x old total weight plus weight added x distance from CG to weight / old total weight plus weight added distance from CG to weight equals station 109.0. CG location equals 109.0. 103.0 is equal to 6.0. New CG location equals open parenthesis 103.0 times 2,340 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 135 times 6.0 close parenthesis / 2,340 plus 135 equals open parenthesis 240,420 plus 810 close parenthesis divided by 2,475 is equal to 241,230 / 2,475 almost equals 97.5. Therefore, the new CG location after adding 135 pounds of weight at station 109.0 is approximately 97.5. 6794. What is the location of the CG if 146 pounds are removed from station 150? Aircraft weight equals 7,152 pounds. CG location equals station 82? A. 83.4. B. 81.3. C. 80.6. The correct answer is C. To determine the new CG location after removing 146 pounds from station 150, we can use the following formula. New CG location equals old CG location x old total weight. Weight removed x distance from CG to weight / old total weight. Weight removed, given information. CG location equals station 82 total weight equals 7,152 pounds. Weight removed equals 146 pounds. Distance from CG to weight equals station 150. CG location equals 150. 82 is equal to 68. New CG location equals open parenthesis 82 times 7,152 close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 146 times 68 close parenthesis / 7,152 to 146 equals 586,464 to 9,928 slash 7,006 is equal to 576,536 slash 7,006 almost equals 82.3. Therefore, the new CG location after removing 146 pounds from station 150 is approximately 82.3. The closest option to this value is 80.6. 6795. What is the location of the CG if 60 pounds are removed from station 70? Aircraft weight equals 8,420 pounds. CG location equals station 85? A. 85.1. B. 84.9. C. 84.1. The correct answer is A. To calculate the new CG location after removing 60 pounds from station 70, we can use the formula. New CG location equals old CG location x old total weight. Weight removed x distance from CG to weight, / old total weight. Weight removed. Distance from CG to weight equals CG location. Station 70 is equal to 85. 70 is equal to 15. New CG location equals open parenthesis 85 times 8,420 close parenthesis minus open parenthesis 60 times 15 close parenthesis / 8,420 to 60 equals open parenthesis 715,700 minus 900 close parenthesis divided by 8,360 almost equals 85.1. Therefore, the new CG location after removing 60 pounds from station 70 is approximately 85.1. The closest option to this value is 85.1. 6796. How much weight must be shifted from station 150.0 to station 30.0 to move the CG to exactly the aft CG limit? Total weight equals 7,500 pounds. CG location equals station 80.5. Aft CG limit equals station 79.5. A. 68.9 pounds. B. 65.8 pounds. C. 62.5 pounds. The correct answer is C. To calculate the weight that must be shifted from station 150.0 to station 30.0 to move the CG to the aft CG limit, we need to find the difference in moments between the current CG location and the aft CG limit, and then divide that by the distance between the two stations. Distance between station 150.0 and station 30.0 is equal to 120.0, 150.0 to 30.0. First, we calculate the moment of the current CG location. Moment equals CG location x total weight moment is equal to 80.5 times 7,500 equals 606,375. Next, we calculate the moment of the aft CG limit. Moment limit equals aft CG limit x total weight moment limit is equal to 79.5 times 7,500 equals 596,250. Now, we find the difference in moments. Moment difference equals moment. Moment limit moment difference equals 606,375. 596,250 is equal to 10,125 to move the CG to the aft CG limit. We need to shift weight from station 150.0 to station 30.0. The weight to be shifted can be found using the formula. Weight to be shifted equals moment difference / distance between stations. Weight to be shifted equals 10,125 / 120.0 is equal to 84.375 lb. Therefore, approximately 84.375 pounds of weight must be shifted from station 150.0 to station 30.0 to move the CG to exactly the aft CG limit. The closest option to this value is 62.5 pounds.